Hey, this is Matt for AVNation.tv. We are here in sunny San Diego for CEDIA 2017. It's Saturday, it's day 3. We're in the Stealth Acoustics booth with Brian. How are you, sir?
I'm doing well today. How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for letting us pop by. Stealth Acoustics, you guys have been around for a while. You've got some history. You do a lot of hidden speakers, hence Stealth.
Yeah.
What are you showing this year at the show that's new and exciting?
So this year, in the world of invisible speakers, we've decided to get back to the basics and really refocus on the performance side of this category. So, Stealth Acoustics, we've been building speakers for about 15 years, and performance has always been a real driving force within our company. And we think we have an award-winning combination of driver sets and technology and the way we actually construct our speaker that really lend to it being a performance-based product. So to build upon that this year, we've released our new X family of invisible speakers.
Okay.
So we're going to keep in existence our current LR series. It's not going anywhere. It's not changing whatsoever. But what you are going to see over the next few months is a release of a few new products in this new X family, and that's going to be positioned as our premium listening category of invisible speaker.
Okay.
The first speaker that we are releasing is here at the show. It's made its debut this week. It's the LR X83. So the X83, the X stands for expert grade or excellent performance. But essentially, we've taken the same form factor that is our very popular two-way 8-inch speaker, and we've incorporated a mid-range driver.
Okay.
And we've also upgraded those driver sets in that speaker. And then most importantly, we've fine-tuned the diaphragm of the speaker. So when you look at an invisible speaker, you see a radiating panel. Usually, that's where the magic's happening, and that's where the cone of the speaker resides, more or less.
Right.
By incorporating new materials with different resonant properties, or by changing lamination processes, adding carbon fiber, adding other advanced materials into the laminating of that diaphragm, we found that we can really tailor the sound of the speaker. We can nuance the response curve of that speaker. We can actually tune the speaker by making adjustments to that diaphragm.
Interesting. So what is the main application for the new X line of speakers?
So the X being positioned as our premium grade speaker, the first model, the X83, we're positioning that as a premium level distributed audio speaker.
Okay.
Now it can find its home in lots of different places in a residence or a building. It could serve purposes everywhere from light grade home theater applications all the way to distributed audio, which it was primarily intended for. One of the beautiful things about this product is its ultra wide dispersion. So we're looking at a field of about 170 degree dispersion.
Wow.
So that means that I'm sure you've been in those installations where you stand at a traditional speaker and you experience a very bright experience, and you step out from underneath that speaker and the experience changes. Well, with this type of dispersion on our product, that's a thing of the past. You really are able to provide even and room-filling sound with the same number of speakers, and sometimes even fewer speakers than a traditional installation.
When someone's looking at invisible speakers and hidden speakers like this, what do they have to keep in mind that is not normal with a traditional application?
Well, you want to be familiar with the brand for certain. This is designed to be a permanent installation. So along with performance, reliability is really something that you should focus on when looking at your options. All of our product is hand-built. It's all built here in the United States. And with that comes an ultimate level of quality control. We literally quality control every single speaker before it gets boxed. We don't just spot check for reliability. We quality control every single piece. So
fantastic.
I think that's really important. And beyond that, it's all about performance, right? We're trying to make this category play ball in the same ballpark with traditional speakers. And we've had some challenges over the years in research and development and getting there, but I can safely say that we are at the point now with the X series that I will put this speaker up against any comparably priced visible speaker for a sound off.
Okay, so you're also showing in this booth, you've got one side that's your demo rig, showing the LRXs. You also have over to my left here a massive LED theater outdoor system. Tell me what that is.
Yeah, so the patio theater initiative for Stealth Acoustics was one to create a turnkey outdoor entertainment solution. So whether it's poolside or on the back patio, in the backyard, built into the landscaping, wherever you choose to set this device, we wanted it to be an experience that captured audio and video in such a way that makes it absolutely usable during all times of the day and all periods of the year. The patio theater is available in 3 different sizes, so we've basically productized this package into a 103-inch screen, 130-inch screen, and a 155-inch screen.
Oh, wow.
One thing that driving factor behind this development was, we targeted a big gap in the market between a typical weatherized TV, which will get you up to, say, 70 inches, and then, all the way up to some of the higher end products that are upwards of $500,000 to $1 million for, your own drive-in kind of experience at your home. That leaves a really big gap in the market, and the only thing currently there to fill that gap is projection. And we all know the struggles that projection goes through in trying to reproduce with quality in the daytime, especially daytime applications. So, taking some of our experience and our technology that our parent company uses in the world of digital signage and scoreboards, we're actually able to take that LED direct-fired, high-bright technology, put it into a encapsulated enclosure that protects it from the elements, provide all the amplification for the sound system included with it, the scaling for the picture, all that in an external equipment rack, and we can turn this over to an integrator to be able to install on site in a matter of hours a giant, large format, daylight viewable outdoor entertainment experience.
That's fantastic. Now, you said daylight viewable. When it's being used at night, is it automatically designed to drop some of that brightness down so it's not retina burning?
It is a little searing of the eyeballs at nighttime at full brightness. But you got to remember, this is the same technology that the industry uses for billboards on the side of freeways. So we definitely want to be able to adjust as needed throughout times of the day. Even if it's cloudy or sunny out, it'll have a feature set that will allow you to bump the brightness up or down. And we can either set that up to be a manual operation or an automatic operation, say based on time period.
Very good. If someone wants more information about that line of products, where do they find that?
You can find that at www.stealthacoustics.com.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much. For more video from the show floor, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.